This is KRWBIN at KRWBIN. And today I just want to say thank you for everyone that's been rocking with me in 2022. It has been an awesome ride. We've had a lot of fun. We've explored a lot of new things. We've created a lot of new things. And I just want to say thank you. It's been an awesome ride. And I want you to hang out with me into 2023 to see what's next. You can join me here on TikTok at KRWBIN. You can join me on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram at KRWBIN, or you can shop with me at www.krwbin. So thank you for rocking with me, and see you in the new year. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy Kwanzaa, and Happy New Year. What do you get a cosmetologist for Christmas? More cosmetology products. Merry Christmas. There are purple Christmas gnomes to the event, and carry our blue gnomes makeup bag. So I got a little video of what can all fit in here. It looks kind of small, but it's very convenient. Has a little motivational strap, which is silicone, and I can get a mask in there, some lip gloss, and a full eyeglass case with actual eyeglasses in the case. So a hard case. And then, well, of course I have my business card. Boom. So yes, this is everything that you can get into our small makeup bags, or just a carry-all bag. And then these are silicone, so if you have a small wrist like me, it can fit right on your wrist. And waterproof because it's silicone. But definitely I wanted to show what I was wearing to my daughter's event today. And of course it's at school, so we don't have to dress up in dresses and suits and things, but they do. So this is going to be a fabulous event to attend. So stay tuned for many more videos. Oh, and you can get this hoodie on my website at www.krwbin.com. So have a great day.